Hey guys, Amanda here today with 5 tips I have for you for cleaning a backpack. First and foremost, you never want to wash your backpack in a washing machine or dry it in a dryer, or you're definitely going to risk potentially damaging your important investment. So instead, follow these tips. Tip number 1, always use lukewarm water and a soft sponge or brush when cleaning out your backpacks. You want to avoid more abrasive, harsh detergents or cleaning supplies with metal or sharp bristles that could potentially puncture your fabric. Tip number 2, ideally you'll want to perform a light cleaning after every hike or overnight trip. So light cleaning, by that I mean emptying out your pack completely, shaking it free of loose debris, and then using a damp sponge to wipe down the interior, then cool clean water to rinse off those spots, and then air drying it, ideally out of direct sunlight. Tip number 4, you'll want to perform a deeper cleaning every so often as well, especially if you encounter some tree sap or something spills in your pack and is creating odors or stains or something like that. So for a deep clean, you might want to consider vacuuming out the crevices in your pack that maybe shaking it out just couldn't quite get to. And then also disassembling and scrubbing down your hip and shoulder straps or whatever pieces you can disassemble that look like they need some cleaning. And also removing and cleaning the internal frame if applicable to your situation. Alternatively or additionally, you can consider filling like your bathtub or a bucket with lukewarm water and completely submerging your pack in water in a mild soap, outdoor specific soap ideally, sponging off the interior, and then ensuring you rinse off all soap remnants completely. Finally, you want to make sure you let your pack air dry completely after every sort of cleaning that involves water. So ideally being able to hang it upside down in a cool, dry place, and definitely out of direct sunlight and the potentially damaging UV rays. So quickly to recap, 5 tips I have for you for cleaning your backpack. Firstly, never wash your backpack in a washing machine or dry it in a dryer or risk damaging it. Secondly, always want to use lukewarm water and a soft sponge or brush when cleaning. So avoid abrasive, harsh chemicals or cleaning supplies with bristles that could potentially puncture your backpack fabric. Thirdly, you want to perform a light cleaning, ideally after every single time you use your backpack. To perform a light cleaning, you want to shake out your debris, wipe down the interior with a damp sponge, use cool clean water to rinse it off, and then hang it up to air dry out of direct sunlight. For performing a deeper cleaning, which you'll definitely want to do every so often, consider vacuuming out the crevices, disassembling all the parts that you can to wipe and scrub down, such as the hip belt, shoulder straps, internal frame. And then also consider submerging your pack in a bathtub or a bucket filled with lukewarm water, and sponging off the interior with a mild outdoor specific soap, and then rinsing it off completely. Finally, every time you apply any sort of water or cleaning component to your pack, you want to ensure that your pack air dries completely. So ideally hang it upside down in a cool, dry place, and definitely out of the potential harmful effects that direct sunlight can have on our gear. So those are tips I have for you for keeping your backpack in tip-top clean shape. I'd love to hear any additional tips you might have on this subject, or if there's one in particular that was helpful to you. And as always, any general feedback that you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like connecting with other outdoor enthusiasts, you should definitely consider checking out Summit. Summit is a social network that brings together adventure junkies from all around the world to exchange stories, share advice, and inspire each other. You might even make some new friends too. It's kind of like Facebook for outdoorsy people, but with better privacy, no ads, no spam, and tons of extras. You can join Summit by going to summit.theadventurejunkies.com or by clicking the link in the description below. You can find me in Summit too, so be sure to say hi when you join.